So someone may also say, if you look at just looking at our diagram, which line do you think is longer than the other? Which function do you think is bigger than the other?
C to D.
Gx. So the function of gx is basically longer than the other. So you can subtract f of x from g of x. You can also subtract g of x from f of x. So it just depends on how the question is thrown at you. So now, if the question says, what is the difference between, if the question says, what is the difference between g of x and f of x? So what that person is asking you to do is, the person is asking you to do g of x minus f of x, which can also be written as g minus f of x. Okay? If it were to be the other way, if it says what's the difference between f of x and g of x, then that would be f of x minus g of x, which is also written as f minus g of x. So just be careful when you read the question, just be careful how the difference is framed. Okay? So now let's just make this thing a little bit easier for us. Let's just do the first one. Or if you want, we can do the second one. It's up to you. So pick your choice. So let's do the first one to start with. So you can call it A. So the first one, A, would be, just take the function of g of x. The function is x squared plus what? 2x plus 3. Then minus x plus 2. Okay? So in that case, by the way, hold on. By the way, you can call this one d of x, which is the difference. So in that case, we are going to obtain, just open these parentheses. So we are going to have x squared plus 2x plus 3 minus x minus 2. You know, you use distributive property to open these parentheses. Use distributive property to open these parentheses. So, which means the difference, d of x, would be equal to, you collect like terms. So the like term would be, there is no other number that has a power of 2. So we just have x squared. Then combine this and this. 2x minus x is going to give us plus x. And then combine this and this. And that is going to give us 3 minus 2 is going to give us plus 1. So that's the solution for A. Now let's do B also. Let's do B. The solution for B is going to be, you write your x plus 2 minus bracket what? X squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay? And then let's simplify it. So you can have that the difference, d of x, is going to be x plus 2. Then you have to open these parentheses using distributive property. So everything there is going to change. So minus x raised to power 2 minus 2x minus 3. Okay? So then we have to combine like terms once again. When we combine like terms, we are going to have, this will start negative x squared by itself. And then we combine x minus 2x is going to give us what? Hello?
Negative x.
Negative x.
Or negative x.
Yes. So how about plus 2 minus 3 is what?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Thank you. So this is a d of x. So you can write your answer that way. On the other hand, you can also factor out. You can factor out negative number because all of them has negative number. You can factor it out and say that you can have negative bracket x squared plus x plus 1. And that becomes your solution.